Boat has become India's leading brand of wireless earphones, all thanks to their Airdopes series of earbuds. In this video, we've got 3 earphones from the Airdopes series with us, all costing below Rs 2000. Earbuds in this price range sell the most. If you've got a new smartphone that does not have a headphone jack and you don't want to spend a lot of money on new wireless earbuds, it is quite likely that you're gonna come across one of these 3 earphones going by how popular these are. But let me make it clear though. Even though Boat is an Indian brand, they don't do any research and development or manufacturing here. So all their products, including the 3 earbuds featured in this video, are all imported from China. With this out of the way, let's get started. First up, we've got the Airdopes 131, which are the cheapest of the lot at just Rs 1300. It does not take a genius to figure out that these are AirPods ripoff, right from the charging case to the periscope style earbuds. Since there are no silicone ear tips on these earbuds, their fitting will purely depend upon the shape of your ears. The audio quality of these earbuds does not have much depth, but it is not bad at all, especially when you keep the cheap price in mind. There's a decent amount of bass and treble on these earbuds, but you should not keep the volume on max because that is where the audio output gets really tinny. There is a single clickable button on each earbud, using which you can either play or pause tracks, summon Google Assistant, or accept and reject calls. Talking off the call quality via the inbuilt microphone, it is quite acceptable as well. On top of this, you've got Bluetooth 5.0, so connectivity is quite seamless. The Airdopes 131 also feature InstaConnect tech, so you can just open the charging case, pop out an earbud, and it would immediately turn on and connect to your smartphone. On the battery side of things, you get a claimed 12 hours of combined playback along with the charging case and 3 hours of playback per earbud, and in real life usage, I actually got pretty close to these numbers. Additionally, the fact that these earbuds recharge over USB-C is a big plus, especially in this budget segment. However, you should keep in mind that there is no IP-rated water resistance here. But overall though, if you want some really affordable AirPods ripoff, then these Airdopes 131 actually make up for a pretty decent option for you. Next up, we've got the Airdopes 171. Now, I purchased them for Rs 1500 from Amazon, but you can find them for even cheaper in one of the Amazon sales. I quite like the design and build quality of these earbuds because they look more like conventional earbuds without the periscope-like design that you find on the AirPods. However, these earbuds have been a big disappointment for me, and not because of their performance, but because I've received defective units from Amazon twice. When I unboxed and started using the first pair of these earbuds, I immediately noticed that they won't automatically turn on or turn off when you took them out or kept them back in the case. So I read the instruction manual and it clearly stated that this feature is supported on these earbuds. So I initiated a return process on Amazon, received my second pair of earbuds, which are these by the way, and these have the very same problem. With this, it is quite easy to assume that Boat's quality control, especially on the Airdopes 171, is pretty poor, and they are selling malfunctioning units to customers. Therefore, I'm not gonna go ahead with the review of these earbuds and would straight away go and suggest you to avoid buying these. Next up, we've got the Airdopes 402, which at Rs 1800 is the most expensive of this bunch. But hilariously enough, these earbuds are the most poorly built out of all 3 earbuds that we've seen today. The plastic quality here of both the case as well as the earbuds is pretty underwhelming. Plus, the overall footprint of these earbuds is also quite large and bulky without any convincing reason. These earbuds do feature silicone ear tips, which is a big plus, so you can customize them as per your ear shape. You've also got these fins on each earbuds, which at first do look like ear hooks, but they've got no functional usage and are just there for design purposes. The audio quality that you will get from these earbuds is pretty underwhelming with poor instrument separation. The bass here is not very good. The trebles can be a bit shrill, and overall, I'll give it a 5 out of 10 score when it comes to audio output, and the cheaper Airdopes 131 surprisingly sound better than these. Moving on, each earbud also has this capacitive touch area using which you can play or pause tracks, skip tracks, summon Google Assistant, or take or reject calls. The Airdopes 402 are also IPX4 rated, making them a decent option for gym goers and sports lovers. Again, on connectivity side of things, we've got Bluetooth 5.0 on these, so it's quite seamless. The battery life is also quite good on these, with the claimed 16 hours of combined playback along with the charging case and 4 hours of playback per earbud. Also, you've yet again got USB Type-C charging here, which is a big plus. And now that we've reviewed these 3 earbuds, it is quite safe to assume that Boat sells in such large numbers because of its cheap price, not because of its great value for money quotient. Out of the 3 earbuds that we tested today, surprisingly, the cheapest ones were the most capable ones. So, if you're strictly on a tight budget and want to spend under Rs 1500 on your new wireless earbuds, then the Airdopes 131 is a pretty decent option. But if you can spend a bit more, then instead of the other 2 earbuds, I would suggest you to check out the Oppo Enco W11. We've already reviewed these on the channel and I'll leave a link down in the description for you to watch. And if you can stretch your budget by a little bit, then the Enco W11 will offer you a much more complete package versus something like Boat Airdopes 402. That's all for this video guys. See you the next time around. Bye.